All right, guys, 2014 GEHL RS6-34, 6,000 pound capacity reach forklift. Just landed on the yard. It's got foam filled tires, open cab, seats in good shape. Take you around the whole machine, but we'll do the cab first. It does have auxiliary hydraulics, which is great. So it's got the tilt cylinder on the forks. The forks will tilt to the left and to the right, or rotate, I guess I should say. It's got 2740 on the hour meter. Runs really great. I'll walk you around it real quick. This thing will reach 34 feet up in the air. Again, lifts 6,000 pounds. Take you in to the engine compartment. Clean engine. Fuel. In a second, I will start her up and run it through the functions.